What's up, everybody? I got barbecue chicken fajitas here for you guys today, and we're gonna start off by preheating the pan to medium-high heat. 2 tablespoons of oil. Add your onions, let that sweat out a bit. Add your garlic and your bell peppers, red and green. So stir that around. Just make sure everything is all coated in that oil. You then want to season that with half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. So you want to get everything all mixed up and stirred around. This is going to be the base, and this is going to make what the fajita is known for with that flavor. Alright, so put all the stuff aside, put more oil in your pan, and you want to put in your chicken. So from here, this is leftover chicken from the night before. This is 2 chicken breasts. So just warm it up a bit because it's still going to be cold. So after this, once everything's all warmed up, you're going to want to add half a cup of salsa. So the salsa I use today is the corn and bean salsa. So make sure everything's all coated and stirred around. It's going to rehydrate the chicken and it's going to be delicious. Alright, from here you're going to want to put that aside now. Add your beans and warm it up. So here I use some Spice World seasoning, which is a red pepper blend from them. Thank you so much. I also added a tablespoon of butter. Alright, let's build this fajita. So put your tortilla down, add a layer of cheese as much as you want. I use marble cheese. And then from here you want to add your veggies now. So or actually your beans. So I got 3 spoonfuls of beans. Put that right in the middle, spread it all around, and then add your chicken, as much chicken as you want. I loaded mine right up, so this is gonna be a hearty meal right here. And then last but not least, add your veggies. So this is your green peppers, red peppers, and onions. Make sure that the cheese is all melted. Flip it over, pat that down, and then you want to do that on the other side too. So once that's all warmed up, then you want to flip that around, and boom, check that out, chicken fajita. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, and leave a message. Peace.